Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are accounts bookkeeping business based in QLD, Australia. Today we will discuss easy way to understand credit and debit entries. First of all, it is very important to understand that debits and credits in accounting are not same as what we see on our bank accounts. So please take this confusion out of your mind. In accounting, debits and credits means something totally different. To understand this, please see the following. In very simple terms, in accounting, debits and credits means right-hand side and left-hand side of the column. Please don't confuse debits and credits with plus and minus, as this can create a great confusion in your mind. For now, just think debit and credit as left side, that is debit, and right side, that is credit, of the entry column. Just a side tip, both debit and credit entries can mean increase and decrease in accounting. So in other words, increase does not belong just to debit or credit, and same with decrease. So please try to take concept of increase and decrease completely out of your mind and simply focus on right and left sides of column. Before we start discussing the hack, I would like to bring up few things. Please see them on screen. 1. In double entry accounting, every single entry must have an equal and opposite entry. For example, if you make a debit entry of $2, you also have to find an account to make $2 credit entry in order to balance the account. 2. Simple accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. 3. Extended accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity plus revenue, expenses, owner drawings. Friends, it is very important to remember or write down if you can both accounting equations, that is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity, and extended accounting equation equals assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity plus revenue, expenses, owner's drawings. So easiest way to understand debit and credit entries is that instead of remembering everything, just remember this or write down these couple of things and everything else will fall into its place. Just remember this and forget the rest. Assets and expense accounts. So just remember assets and expense accounts from accounting equation or write it down. Also remember any increase, that is plus, in assets or expenses of a business will always be a debit, that is left-hand side entry. Friends, also remember that any decrease, that is minus, in assets and expenses of a business will always be a credit, that is right-hand side entry. Friends, that's all you need to remember to do this, make entries more easily and efficiently. I will repeat this again for you. Just remember assets and expenses from accounting equation. That is increase in assets and expenses of a business is a debit entry, and decrease in assets and expenses of business will be a credit entry. So, in relation to increase and decrease, as we can see what we have discussed before, both debits and credits can be increase or decrease. So, friends, this was hack and everything else in accounting equation, that is liabilities, owner's equity, revenue, etc. Any increase in these accounts of the business will be totally opposite, that is credit, right-hand side enter, or vice versa. If you have any questions, please contact us, or comment below without hesitation. In conclusion, this is very complex subject of accounting to comprehend. I hope with this video we had added value to your understanding of this subject. Thanks for watching. To be notified straight away for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.